here is another example on how to convert whole numbers in base 10 to base 4. Let's convert 1000 in base 10 to base 4. Solution. We divide 1000 repeatedly by 4 until further division is no longer possible. And to do that, we draw a table. We place the number we are converting, 1000 here. The base we are converting it to, 4, at the other side. Then we start dividing. 4 in 1000, we have 4, you take it bit by bit. 4 in 10, that's 2, which is h remainder 2. 4 in 20, you have 5. Then 4 in 0, you have 0. That means you don't have any remainder in this case. So we have remainder 0. Divide again by 4. 4 goes in 25, that's 6, which is 24 remainder 1. 4 goes in 10, that's 2, which is 8. So you have a remainder of 2 here. Divide again by 4. 4 goes in 6, you have 1 remainder 2. 4 goes in 22 here, we have 5 remainder 2. We divide again by 4. 4 goes in 15, that's 3. 4 multiplied by 3, what do you have? You have 12. When you take away 12 from 15, what remainder do we have? We have 3. Divide again by 4. 4 goes in 3, we can't say any 4 in 3, so we have 0. And a remainder of what? 3. Then take the remainders upward. So therefore, we have 1000 base 10 is the same thing as 3, 3, 2, 2, 0 base 4. And that's how to convert 1000 base 10 to base 4. Thank you.